Here we are. Hi, girl. If you don't want to be on camera, do not look at me. Okay, or dodge. Totally. Yeah, Ashlyn. Okay, girl. Wow, I'm zoomed to the max. At this moment, Gracie is not very pleased. Tyler's making her play. Yay, go Scarlet! Come on, guys, get through. Okay, Ashlyn, I see you. No, you're hitting the fence. Oh. Where are people?
Lower, Ashley.
Lower? Lower? What do you mean lower?
Harrison, you're looking at it.
I'm confused.
I can't see other side.
Oh,
Oh, Drew. Oh, she's gonna do it again, Drew.
all right. 15, 14, 12. Oh, congratulations.
Hey, I see people.
All right, ready, set, go.
Okay, in the bathroom with Gabby. Can I tell your business, Gabby? I don't care. Okay, she's just minding her good old business. And here comes a flock of geese and they poop on her. They pooped all over her. But look how cute she is now. Oh, she's got a sweatshirt. She's got good backup. Phone. Oh, she's over everybody. She said, we are done. Ashlyn had poop on her shirt too. Good old goose poop. Good block, Gracie. All right, I'm coming around. If you don't want to be on camera, just cover your face. But say hi. Hi.